Hey up guys, it's Dave here writing 41 songs in 41 days. Today is song number 41. There's no plan of action, I just want to have some fun and almost write like a celebratory song. Let's get cracking. I just picked up a guitar then and I was thinking I want a bass line, I want to start with a bass line. So I've got this idea. Let's find a drum beat and let's record a bass line. So I've just come up with like a pre-chorusy idea, and it's just F to E, then into the riff part, the second part of the verse riff, so back to the F, just an E twice. Chorus, I'm just thinking C major, D minor, A minor, G major, and that's all I'm thinking. I don't know what I'm gonna do, I'm just enjoying making something, that's all. I'm gonna add some electric guitars now. I've just realised something I've done by accident, which was during the bass recording and the guitar, the first layer of guitar recording, I've had the wah-wah on, cocked on the full down position. And I was thinking this bass sounds a bit different to normal. I think it has a good tone, so I'm not going to change it. But yeah, I'm digging this so far. Let's add some more guitars. Okay, so all I'm doing there is on the pre-chorus, because I'm going to an F major 7, I'm actually playing an A minor arpeggio, because that's part of an F major 7 chord. It's an A minor with an F in the bass, so I'm just seeing it as an A minor, a triad, E minor triad, A minor 7 triad, which is the same as C major, A minor, which is the F major 7. Let's add some dirt layers to it, so maybe some like palm mutant ones first chorus, and the second chorus of the palm mutant one with layers of extra distortion. Let's just see how it sounds. I don't want to make a big sounding thing. Okay, so I'm thinking that is all the guitars done, and the wheel has fallen off this chair again. Hope you didn't see my bum crack then. On to vocals, and I'm thinking about just trying to write this as I record it, as I've done with the other ones, because I know what I want to say. I want to say, it's done. I've done it. I can't believe it's done. Oh yeah, I did it. And it's all over now. Really simple. I did it. Can't believe I've done it, something like that, I've done it, and it's all over now. Something like that, I just need chorus now. I did it, and it's all over now. I've done it. 41 songs. I have to say, I do feel pretty proud of myself, to be honest. It's going to take a couple of weeks just to, you know, have a rest. So then there's going to be a video kind of summing up everything, going through the failures, because there's been a lot of failures in this. What's gone well, like the successes, because there's been a lot of successes in this as well. In fact, I've got a lot more out of this than just 41 songs. And I'm going to be going through what songs I've liked, what songs I've not liked. Let me know if the songs that you really like or really don't like. It's fine either way, I don't mind. This is a learning exercise. Check out the song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks.